Hello, welcome to Easy IELTS. Today is still lesson number 4, continue. And today we write about a real dictionary. I'll give an example on how to write a dictionary essay. And the topic for today is the society would benefit from ban on advertising because it serves no useful purpose and can even be damaged. So do you agree or disagree? So I'm going to disagree with this point of view. So I'm going to write the example. Before we start, I'm going to outline the body 1, body 2. Okay, for example, body 1, you can say something like, if you ban advertising, the society will suffer a great deal. And you explain why. Because ban ads, provide a lot of job. Okay, so ban ads, many people will lose job, affect their lives, and ads contribute to the country. If you ban ads, less taxes. And body 2, you can say something like, ads will bring benefits without harm. And you explain it's because ads provide people with information and make better shopping choice. For example, me buying shampoo. And also app enrich people knowledge about other aspects of life. For example, knowing about technology. So this is the outline. And then we go into start writing the introduction. The introduction is very easy. First, you paraphrase the topic and then add this sentence. I totally disagree with the point of view. Okay. Some people believe that a complete prohibition ban on kind of advertising would benefit the society because it's totally useless and even cause a lot of damage. I totally disagree with this point of view. Okay, move on. We go into write body 1. You can start with, I believe that society will suffer a great deal if all form of advertising were made illegal. And you explain. The first reason is that advertising industry creates a range of job opportunity for many people. A complete ban on this industry means that millions of people would have faced unemployment, would have a severe impact on their life. Then you explain. Now we continue. Like another reason is that advertising industry make significant contribution to the development of any nations. Therefore, the government would lose a huge amount of tax from advertising agency if they did not issue the company with business license. Okay, this is like this. Continue for body 2. And you can start with something like, okay, I also think that advertising brings a wide range of benefit to society without causing any harm. And you explain. This can be explained by the fact that advertisement provide people with information about product or service that they can make better shopping choice. For example, by watching TV commercial about different brands of sample products, I can choose the one that works best for me. Give an example. Then we continue. Moreover, advertising could help enrich people's knowledge about various aspects of life. For example, my nephew, for instance, knows lots about technical devices such as smartphones or iPads because he watched many adverts about digital gadgets. And then for the conclusion, just rewrite the introduction. So in conclusion, for the reason mentioned above, I would argue that a total ban on advertising would have a adverse effect on society because it serves many useful purpose and does not harm anybody. Okay, so here is the entire essay. Remember to write it down, read it over and over again. So try to understand the structure that I give you, and that's it.